Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's weekly market guide.
Hello everyone, hope all of you are healthy and safe. Welcome back to Sharekhan's weekly market guide podcast. This podcast will help you stay informed with Indian markets. Kindly note, this is an informational piece and not a recommendation. So let us see some important news that stood out in the last week. Indian markets continue to trade with upward trend amid improving situations relating to second COVID wave and expectation of gradual ease in lockdown restriction. Last week, we saw both Sensex and Nifty making a record closing high. However, index ended on a weaker note as central bank kept borrowing cost at a record low level and lowered its economic growth projection. The Sensex fell by 0.25% to 52,100, Nifty slipped by 0.13% to 15,670. Broader markets outperformed the benchmark indices. Nifty Mid-Cap Index gained over 3.2% for the week and Nifty Small Cap Index gained over 2% this week. Now let us look at important triggers for this week. With no major domestic event, focus will shift to global markets for further cues. Also, accommodative stance by RBI along with expectation of normal monsoon would lend support in the near term. Investors will continue to focus on daily case load trajectory, phase lifting of lockdown restriction and vaccination ramp up over the next few months. The key economic events scheduled for this week are: let us also look at some of the important results announcing this week. Also, there are some stocks announcing important corporate action. Here are some technical data points on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let us also look at some of the derivative data. The stocks which has long build up are Let us look at the stocks which have short build up. That's all from Sharekhan Weekly Market Guide series. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Join us next week for yet another weekly market guide. Until then, subscribe to our channel and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.